Hey guys, welcome back to another Mini Brands Chopped Edition episode number 2. And yes, I've got the secret ingredients over here from the Mini Brands that Carlito chose. Which one of these episodes I'm going to make him try to figure out and cook something with the ingredients that I choose. But for now, let's check this out. Of course, we've got our incredible Mini Brands here that I love so much. And, so we're going to do that. All right, Carlito. All right. So, you can't tell. Okay, so now I'm going to roll the dice and everything nice. Right, Carlito? Let me put these back. They're cold.
They're cold?
Yeah. But I love them, though. They're mine. Don't touch them.
I won't.
Okay, guys, I'm going to roll the dice. You ready? See what proteins I get. Better be a good one, Carlito.
Uh-huh. Fish? Oh!
Uh-oh. Fish.
We got fish.
All right, so now, guys, I'm going to open this strange mystery box again. So I'm going to be using fish. Carlito, I cannot believe you. These ingredients better not be scary, Carlito.
They're not scary. They're pretty good.
All right, let's see, guys. Let me see. I always get scared to open this because it sounds like there's something in there. Oh, I hear a noise. Just kidding. Just kidding. Let's see. Let us see. Oh, my Lord. Are you kidding me? All right, so I've got crushed red pepper, Heinz 57 sauce, port, salt, wine, cheese, bacon. Anything's good with bacon. I got bacon.
I got it for a reason.
And Kool-Aid? Really, Carlito?
Yeah, you can put that as like a side drink or something. Or you could do something with that.
No, you don't do that on Chopped. You don't make a side drink. They chop you. You have to incorporate this in your dish. All right, guys. So crushed red pepper, Kool-Aid, Heinz 57 sauce, bacon, and port wine cheese. And I have to use fish as my protein. So I wonder how that's going to work out. Anyway. All right. So I have the crushed red pepper, Carlito. Got the crushed red pepper. I have bacon. I don't have Heinz 57. I don't have Kool-Aid. And I do not have this strange Port Salut wine cheese. Let's see if I can find this at the store if not get something similar to this. So you guys, we are heading to the grocery store and we want you to tag along so we can pick up these ingredients and come back and let's see what Mom's going to create in the kitchen. You guys don't want to miss this, you guys. Come with us. Come tag along. We're going straight to the grocery store. Look how they got one. Okay, guys. First ingredient, Heinz 57 sauce.
Can we show them the egg?
First one, Heinz 57. Let's go find the next one. Oh my God, a little Kool-Aid. Oh my Lord. Let's go get the fish, guys. I think I'm going to use halibut today. Let's see how that is going to be.
Your halibut? Oh, mine.
Another sturdy fish that we can use, and I'm going to use is mahi-mahi, guys. What's next, Carlito? Kool-Aid, and what else? Cheese? Okay, this way, guys. Yeah,
I thought we could do it as a side or something.
Oh, we'll be good. Hey guys, this is the closest I could find to Kool-Aid. I got a liquid cherry. They don't have fruit punch for the Kool-Aid. Hey guys, we'll go get the cheese now. Oh my God. Okay guys, so the closest we got to French cheese is Brie. French Brie. Carlito, let's get out of here. Hey guys, we'll meet you in the kitchen.
Hey guys, we're back in the kitchen. And Mom, guess what?
What?
Your time You got 20 minutes on the clock. Quick, quick.
Okay. All right.
Hey, Mom, would you like to tell us anything? What you're doing?
Yeah, I'm just going to make a sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to take the vinegar from the Heinz 57, and I'm going to incorporate the sweetness of the Kool-Aid. And I'm making a little sauce with some spices. And I'm going to put it over some, I've got myself a piece of mahi-mahi that I'm going to braise. I'm going to pan fry it with some salt and pepper in my pan, a little bit of olive oil. Okay, and we'll see how that goes.
So I see you're adding peppers.
These ingredients are crazy. Yeah, peppers.
Yeah, and a lot of, and I see an onion there.
Some onion, yes.
And especially the bacon. That's like some good bacon.
Yes, Carlito, thank you for the insane ingredients. See how this turns out, guys. You're going to be the taste tester, so. Okay, so don't interrupt me, Carlito. I only have 20 minutes. Don't interrupt me.
I will not interrupt you.
She's busy right now.
Yep.
It's not flipper. It's a dolphin. It's mahi-mahi. Look at this nice fillet I got here. See that nice fillet I got there? All right, so let me get busy here, Carlito. A little garlic.
Nice.
Because I am creating stuff that I don't know, and I only have 20 minutes. See how this turns out. So now I will tell you one thing, guys. This is what a real chef ever. Okay, I'm gonna put my fish.
5 minutes.
Yeah, that's sizzled. 5 minutes left.
Yeah.
No, I don't have 5. 12 minutes.
12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes.
8 minutes have gone by, guys. Oh, you can smell that olive oil.
It's a nice strong smell.
Alright, guys, let me get my veggies out of the microwave. Got a steam bag of big vegetables.
Nice.
Okay, so
It is
you should be
loud.
talking here. Right. You should be the one talking, not me.
No, I know, but I don't know what to say. If she's doing that, she's doing this thing.
Just say whatever you want to say.
Okay. You just put the vegetables and
I'll
the
just
bamboo
put the
plate.
vegetables on my bamboo plate. Now I'm going to put this out of here. Now I'm going to grab a little bit more salt. Just a tiny bit of salt. Some black pepper. You can see that I can see that how it's searing on one side. All right, got that. And we're all about building flavors, guys. So now I'm going to grab my spatula. Oh my God, honey, this is chaotic.
I'm smelling something.
I chose mahi-mahi, guys, because it's a very firm fish, like halibut.
So
Yeah.
it's dolphin?
Yes.
It's from a dolphin.
No, not a flipper. There we go. Alright, so our sauce is done. Now I'm searing my fish. Yeah, searing my fish. Now I'm going to grab 2 green onions. And we do that side. So keep in mind, guys, this is what a real chef does. A real chef can improvise, Carlito, and make anything, okay? I'm a garnish girl, so that's what I like. Alright, so we're blackening it. Ow. Now we're going to blacken it on this side. Ow.
Is it hot?
I want to blacken it on the bottom. No, it's burning the olive oil. Can you hand me the butter in the fridge, please? Carefully open the fridge. For the butter. Because remember, when you use butter with olive oil, it'll help the olive oil from burning. It won't spark as much. So now I'm going to toast this a little bit. Put a little bit of water in my pan. Watch out, look at that. That's what a real chef does. That's what a real chef does, right there. So far, this is the second episode, guys. We're going to garnish. Bam! Garnish. Alright, guys. So this is my mahi-mahi on a bed of vegetables with my bacon, sweet, and sour sauce. What do you guys think so far?
Doesn't look bad. Does not look bad.
What do you guys think? Look at that. I created this in under 20 minutes. Beautiful blackened mahi-mahi with a bed of vegetables with our sweet and sour bacon sauce. You ready to try?
Yes.
Turn the water off. Okay, so now our chef is going to taste this.
How much time do we have left?
Oh, like 4 minutes. Okay,
Carlito. Anything
Carlito.
else? You sure you're 100% done?
I'm positive. Grab a fork. Okay, guys. Carlito's going to grab a fork now.
Got a fork?
Okay.
I'm kind of scared.
Wait, you're a judge, so you got to stand over here. You're the judge, so I'm going to stand behind you. Okay? Grab a piece of the bacon and stuff. And the veggies.
So could I get a knife?
Let's see what he thinks.
Alright, no, I could do this one.
You don't need a knife. It's hot. Be careful. That's
Yeah,
delicious fish.
I'm gonna get some bacon, veggie.
There's no bacon on that.
That's
That's a big piece of veggie, Carlito. There you go. Okay. Careful, there's no bones in the fish. See what he. Be careful, there's no bones.
I'll
Just chew
taste
it good.
that off.
He's tasting it. You got a bone? Told you. So did I win this week?
Yeah, she won this week.
Yes. I did it again, you guys.
Mm-hmm.
I did it again. Look at this. I created this in less than 20 minutes on a bed of veggies with Kool-Aid and Heinz 57 sauce, crushed red pepper, and French cheese, which we use brie today. So it was successful.
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it was a 6. It was a 6 out of 10. Honest, 6 out of 10.
Okay, but I won today anyway. So remember, guys, if you like this fun video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. This is our Tuesday, Thursday event, which is Mini Brands Chopped Edition. with Mom and Carlito. And you guys, as always, don't forget your two main ingredients in any dish that you make, any challenge that you have, are
passion and love.
That's right. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care where you're from. If you incorporate those two main ingredients, passion and love, your dish will not fail. Although this was tricky because I had to really get all this concoction together and try to figure something out really quick. And that's what I did, and I succeeded again. So remember, you guys, as always, au revoir.
Au revoir. Te quiero. I love you. And we'll see you on the next episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Bye.